Grandpa here, you know, all them goddamn storms they've had out there in the Midwest got me remembering we had old Hurricane Hugo here in Charleston back when my kids were little, you know, and we lived in this goddamn apartment complex. Man, that night that wind was howling like a goddamn dog after a fucking bone. I ain't shitting you. Them goddamn dogs, that goddamn wind was howling. And I had all four of my youngest, man. Michael was a little goddamn pickle boy. He wasn't no bigger than a goddamn tadpole, little tiny shit, you know. Goddamn good gusts of that wind blow his ass fucking Oz, you know. But we sat there doing the goddamn thing, man, and the storm I thought done gone by, you know. I was a man, goddamn storm's over. It wasn't that goddamn bad. So I ventured outside, you know, and my trailer I lived in was like about a quarter of a mile away from the apartment we were in for the storm. So I walked my fat ass to check on my trailer. You know, I always been trailer trash. Imagine that. I always lived in a fucking trailer. But anyway, I go over there, man, my goddamn trailer, man, ain't too bad. I said, hey, that storm wasn't bad, man. We still got our home. Yeah, give me a goddamn Budweiser. Man, about that time, that motherfucking whoo. I said, what the fuck is this? Somebody holler out the window, man, get your fucking ass out of there. That's the backside of the storm coming. I said, backside? I ain't knowing the motherfucker had a front side. I started going back to that goddamn apartment. And man, that wind picking up. And that wind pick up, my goddamn feet were picking up and putting down, picking up. I got back to the goddamn apartment. I started, oh God, I felt like Fred Sanford. Oh my God, I'm having the big one. Motherfucker couldn't breathe. You know the way I fucking smoke, you know, fat people that smoke can't run. Let's face it. So anyway, I got to the top, man, that goddamn wind blowing, man, and motherfucking wood flying everywhere. And I grabbed the youngest and I tell the people we were with, what we do with the kids? Put them in the bathtub. Motherfuckers don't need no bath. But we put them in the bathtub, you know. They said that's the safest place during a storm. I'm sorry, I don't need no fucking zest during a fucking storm. But anyway, we said, man, we gotta do something. That wind was like everywhere, you know. All of a sudden, the goddamn roof come up. We lived in a goddamn convertible apartment. We look up to see wind, roof shingles, nails, rock. Over our motherfucking head, tornadoes. Flying over our motherfucking heads. Finally, the storm subsided. I went outside, went back to my trailer. That motherfucking trailer looked like a goddamn bomb done blown that motherfucker up. So I figured, shit, FEMA's coming. So I went and got me a hammer. You know I'm good with motherfucking hammers. Always have been. Knocked me some holes in the wall, you know, and knocked a hole in a couple of ceilings, you know. Got more money from FEMA. Take advantage of the government when you can, people. They sure gonna take advantage of you. The kids, man, scared to death. To this day, Jenny hears the wind, bitch starts looking for a goddamn bed to crawl under. Normally she's looking for a cover to crawl under. Who'd have figured? Anyway, that's my vlog for today.
Wait.
What?
I thought you were gonna promote the t-shirts.
Oh, and Grandpa t-shirts. I got them. Buy your t-shirt. Where they gotta go?
Grandpa'sArmy.com.
Grandpa'sArmy.com. Order you a shirt today. Bye, y'all. Can see y'all tomorrow. I turn this motherfucker off. Damn, look at it storming. God damn, look at them clouds down there. I ain't scared of your ass. Come on, bitch. That's a dumb motherfucker. I on a goddamn little moped. Damn, man, this rain fast. I bet he ain't a loaf of bread on the motherfucking shelf. Yeah. Fuck. Hurricane coming, ain't got no fucking money. got a goddamn, yeah, you can kick your fat ass over that shit, that meal pickle boy. By the time you done something. That's good. I'll give you that advertisement. Hey, what are you doing? There might be goddamn sales I can find something in the goddamn hurricane, you dumbass. Man, you piece of shit, get that shit out of my damn trash. Dumbass!
Are you going? What are you doing? Get out of there!
Goddamn hurricane. Some of me have flannel specials up. Damn, I'm all wet.
Oh, looks like a bunch of buy one get one free shit at Philo.
Hey, batteries?
You'd think they would advertise it right now.
How about fish sticks? I like fish sticks.
Fish sticks?
Everybody got to buy one, get one free?
I mean, I don't know that we'll get lucky enough to find
I want some goddamn fish sticks!
and you buy one get one free.
It's soft, I can eat them. You turn that son of a bitch off. The fuck is this shit? Where's my goddamn flashlight? Who? Where's my flashlight? I need it for the storm! Fuck!
Chill. This is locked. Oh, there it is.
What the fuck?
Oh, is this broken?
Yeah. Someone broke my goddamn flashlight. Well, when the hurricane comes, you know where you're gonna be? You're gonna be in the fucking dark. Turn that son of a bitch off! Piece of shit. The fuck? Candle? Can't believe it, man. Fucking useless. Turn it off, man. That's why you got that damn camera on me again?
Because it's what I do.
But I get tired of it. Damn, I can't go to... You know, next time I go take a shit, you gonna go in there with me too?
Where are we going?
I gotta go goddamn get some more shit for the goddamn storm.
That thing's gonna pass us, dude.
You never know, man. That motherfucker could turn and come directly in on us. Hugo was supposed to pass and all of a sudden took a hard fucking left. Coming in Charleston. I remember Hugo, boy. God damn.
What are we getting?
What are we getting? Man, we're gonna get some candles. We gotta get some flashlight batteries. We gotta put a flash.
Whoa, did you say flashlight?
Flash! Come on, man, I ain't storm for the hurricane comes! Damn, people done put up all the damn bread and water and stuff. You see that camera when we get home? And you need to video everything in our house. That way we might get some money back if the storm takes our house.
We moved to like FEMA?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you see what kind of good job they did with New Orleans. Well, if that's the case...
It's an entitlement, and I deserve it!
If that's the case, I have 4 Xbox 360s, I have 2 PS3s...
That's why I told you to film everything! Dumbass! Tell you one thing. You go ahead and laugh now, make your little insults all you want. But come tomorrow night, when your ass ain't got no power, and you're hungry, you be glad Grandpa done went and bought all these supplies. You understand me?
You bought supplies the other day and you ate it all.
Well, I need more now, don't I? I gotta remind me of the store, man. I gotta get I want to get some Spam too this time.
Spam?
I love Spam. God almighty. Slice that up, man.
There was 3 cans on the stove earlier. You bought one like, what, yesterday?
Well, so what? Goddamn, I took a shit this morning. That might mean I might take another shit tonight. Damn. But if the shit's needed, it's needed. Storm coming, we gotta have food.
I'm not eating no Spam, I'd rather die.
Well, you better die. Why don't you eat Spam? Spam good.
What is it made out of? That's the question.
I don't know. I think it's made off the ham that falls off big on the floor.
No, it's made off of like scraps of different meats.
But it's good. It's got a flavor. It's all about the flavor.
I'm sure humans got a flavor too, but
No, it's all about the flavor. Where I gotta go to?
I don't know where we're going.
Well, I want to buy something to put on my goddamn windows.
If you need bread, why don't you go to that Marita Bread Factory?
Last time I went there, they were all out. Where the fuck am I going? They done closed the goddamn road. What the fuck? I always go down that road. Dirty bastards. What the hell is all this, man? Damn little old tropical storm. That damn house over there, man. Damn. Man, oh man. The old trees are just a blowing. I ain't never seen them trees blow like that. Man. Jesus Christ, get my fat ass wet. God damn, I gotta move. And they call the wind Mariah. And they call these damn drivers in South Carolina retarded! Never seen such a bunch of retarded damn people. Can't drive in the damn, man, I'm getting my throat's hurt. Man, shit. Almost bad as that damn bathroom. These retarded people. Little rain, little wind equals slow traffic in South Carolina. Retards! People ain't driving like goddamn maniacs. That goddamn bitch right there trying to run me over. Bitch. Crazy ass people driving out here. Man, I just ain't believing this crap. Yeah, I'm filming you, you damn piece of shit. You need to get the fuck over. I'm gonna let them see that on camera. Idiot! Yeah, you bitch! Oh, Grandpa getting this big ass wet here. Little wind. You know what I'm saying?
What up, Pop?
Where are you at? I didn't give you anything this morning.
I had to buy this.
What's with the goddamn pumpkin?
I told you we gotta carve pumpkins.
Michael, there's a damn storm brewing out there.
Look.
What are you laughing about?
Look, Bridget, it's so vicious out
It's
here.
gonna be in the morning. Look at what you got. Look at, I got all this meat out cooking. Getting all the food ready.
Dad, you're gonna be
I
fine.
don't have time this year to carve no damn pumpkin.
Every year
We
you
have to carve
pumpkin.
some
Except
pumpkin.
this year.
No, this year we're carving a
The
pumpkin.
hurricane's more important.
Dad, you got 2 days before that happens, okay? This is what we're doing
That's
today.
why I got the food out, getting the food ready.
Okay, today, Grandpa's carving a pumpkin. Let's go.
Oh, you want me to carve the pumpkin?
Yes, of course!
You sure you want me to carve the pumpkin? I'll carve the pumpkin.
Yes! God! Oh my God!
Oh!
Dude, chill!
Carve the goddamn pumpkin for you.
God!
I carved it.
Good thing we came with more pumpkins, huh, Dad? Hey, good thing we... You think I'll come with one
Will you
pumpkin?
please try with
You
this
there.
one?
Okay. Now this one, can we at least try a little harder?
I am not carving that pumpkin.
Why are you having such a problem with this?
Because of the hurricane.
Just
It's
carve it.
Hurricane Matthew.
It's great out there.
Does it ring a bell?
Yeah, it rings a bell. I want to carve a pumpkin.
Draw a face
Got
on
my hands
it.
and closed
Do me a
everything.
favor. Go grab a pen. We're gonna draw a face.
I am not carving that pumpkin.
Go get the pen.
You got it, brother. You got it.
It's like I'm not asking for what? God!
Oh my god! Ow!
Dad, for God's sakes! Yeah, I got a pin right there. I got a pin.
Just
What? There's still time to save this one. You want that?
carve it!
Oh, Jesus Christ. You want that? You can't say what I got.
Oh!
How about that,
Oh my gosh!
There's your pumpkin carving. Here, let's just go ahead and do this real quick, Bridget. He wants to.
Carve some
But we don't
pumpkin.
carve.
There's still one more.
One more pumpkin.
Now listen. Will you just help me carve a pumpkin? Okay, let me see the camera, okay?
We all
You got any more out there?
This is the last pumpkin.
That's the last one.
You carve it, we'll do it.
carve it.
I'll carve it.
Please.
Sure will. I'll do a good
The other you just freaking destroyed.
I know.
I do a good job.
There you go. Get into the spirit. Oh my God. What the hell? Did you cut yourself?
Oh,
What?
Are you okay?
Dad, look, there's blood everywhere.
Where'd it come from?
Oh! Oh my god!
Oh my God!
What is that? Oh my god!
Have you lost your mind?
Oh my god! Ow!
Dad, stop that! Stop it!
Oh my god!
Dad, chill.
Oh my god!
Have you lost your goddamn mind?
Oh my God! Dad!
Oh my god!
What's wrong with you?
Have you lost your goddamn mind?
Have you?
Oh my god!
Get out of my house!
Holy crap!
Oh man.
This is
You completely lost your fucking mind.
this is brutal. I mean,
Get out!
All right, Dad, you ready to film a thumbnail for the storm of the century?
What storm?
That's my point.
Hey, Lake Agp.
Grandpa pointing to the heavens. All right, thumbnail time.
I thought you hadn't done that shit.
I want to get your face.
For what?
Hold your arms in the air. Whoa, there's a spider on you. On your shoulder. Right there. Poink.
what is wrong?
I don't know where she gets her information from.
You said storm of the century.
And it's a storm of the century.
You said we were getting hit with a Category 4 hurricane, and Dad was all worried.
You got us goddamn all dying and shit.
Me and Dad were discussing driving up to Columbia to get a generator because Lowe's over here was sold out of them.
You had me give my soul to God.
Jenny, if you want to warm up to the fire, get close.
You still don't know. They said the worst hasn't even hit us yet.
Oh, so it's going to get worse. Is that what it is?
Yes.
I say we don't buy into Jenny's shit and we just go chill out in the yard.
Hey, yes, I'm starting the fire. I'm gonna kick back and relax.
Hey, Dad, when did you take your pool down?
What?
When did you take the pool down?
Mark, they did that. He came down that day when you were here doing the Whopper.
That's what they were doing here?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see. I was dead in the kitchen, remember? Dude, I was going to fix it.
Well, I fixed it for you.
Where is it?
I put $200 in my pocket.
Where is it?
Gone, sold it.
For $200?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm leaving. I'm not going to put up with that.
You ain't gonna do nothing.
Dude, that could have been fixed.
It was fixed.
The deck is gone too.
What?
The deck too.
Yeah. No, Jake's going in there.
Is that what you're burning?
Yeah. That's a $1,200 fire right there, boy.
So in the rain right now, we're gonna go look at the little bit of flooding going on in Grandpa's backyard. Hey, Dad. Aren't you happy you're not camping anymore?
What?
Are you happy you're not camping anymore?
What?
Are you happy you're not camping?
How would you do that?
It exactly flooded Grandpa's campsite. Oh, look, a boogie board. Try to see if it'll serve. Nothing? Don't slip, be careful. So we're at Grandpa's house right now. That's what's happening.
Yeah, Bridget, push me. You live in the goddamn ditch. That goes for your big ass too.
I wouldn't touch you.
Oh, I got your car for you, Michael. I cleaned it.
What?
I detailed your car for you.
Why do you gotta insult me for?
I'm taking you for a ride.
Why don't you ask Jamie again? I heard he's been giving you rides.
Huh?
I heard Jamie's been driving you around places.
Goddamn, y'all don't anymore.
I told you the Uber.
Y'all made me walk.
What an idiot.
That's what's called when to get in the video bad. Am I right or wrong?
You're totally right. You're dead on.
And that one.
Would you get out of there?
I ain't got that stupid much stupidity in me.
She's trying to show off. Look at this.
You know what it's called.
On purpose, too.
Yep. You know what it's called.
On purpose, too.
Yep.
Okay, Dad, here's a question. I noticed this while editing the Burger King video. Why do you have a cage right there?
Double one.
Do you have a dog?
No.
You were saying you wanted a dog. Do you have one?
Maybe, maybe not.
Where is it if you have
Ever
one?
seen one?
Well, then why is the cage right there for?
Maybe more there.
What's the story? Do you have a dog?
Maybe, maybe not. We'll find out.
Do you know?
I don't
But then
think
you
he
bring
has.
one over
I don't
here.
know.
What?
Nothing.
Where is it if you have one?
I don't have one.
You have a dog, I think.
I think you're wrong.
Bark.
I found it in your yard for $10.
Bark.
Yeah.
If I bark, they'll bark back.
Ah, shut. Start barking, Bridget. Bark back, Bridget.
I haven't heard shit.
I ain't got a dog.
Then there's no need to have the cage.
I bought it at the yard sale.
Is that the one that was in the yard that you were going to sleep in?
Yeah.
So what, are you sleeping here?
I like it in here.
Bark again.
Well, we're at Grandpa's house right now.
We've been here for like 10 minutes.
We've been here for at least 10 minutes. I heard Dad in the back talking to his TV. He's yet to come out to greet us. So, let's give him a call.
This is so funny.
Should I tell him, like, I want to come over?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, everybody, what's going on, man?
I was going to come over. I wanted to see if you were home.
Oh, no, man, I ain't home. I won't be home probably about later on tonight.
What a liar.
Are you serious?
Yeah, man, I'm in North Charleston. I'm getting things ready for that hurricane. So, yeah, I won't be home probably about 7:30, 8 o'clock.
You're not home?
No, I'm not home. Come on, you can't listen.
I just heard him.
I need to come over tomorrow afternoon or something.
Damn, I was already on my way, too.
Well, I'm sorry, man. I guess you gotta turn around and go home.
All right.
I'll be home all right.
All right, Pop.
All right, buddy.
All right. He was laughing.
What the hell?
What?
Hey! You lying son of a bitch!
North Charleston?
You liar! Yeah.
Busted.
Get out of my house!
Come out, let's talk in the kitchen, man. What is wrong? Why would you lie like that to me?
I guess obvious why I didn't want you coming.
You don't bring your phone?
Hell, why should I? You here?
Busted!
That was.
Don't you ever do that again.
You're just embarrassed. Look at his face. Look at his, look at his face.
Caught.
Just let's say.
I got a bathroom. Goddamn, move.
You alright? Did you just shit your pants? I don't think that's enough. What's all this?
Get ready for the storm.
So,
You done got your water and stuff?
no, it ain't gonna hit us.
It's supposed to hit Friday night.
Dad, it's not gonna touch us.
It's gonna hit Friday night!
You liar.
What do you mean?
You were here. You said you weren't home.
I don't want you coming over.
Why do you hate us?
Yeah, I don't hate y'all.
That seems like you do.
I like my privacy.
Well, I just wanted to pop in because I want to check on you.
Why?
I want to make sure you're alright because tomorrow I plan on doing that pumpkin video.
No, not again.
come
It's like
on.
an annual thing. It's one of my favorite videos of the year.
Hell yeah, I love pumpkins.
Damn, I ain't gonna be home tomorrow.
What?
I ain't gonna be home tomorrow.
Yeah, you are.
Hey, by the way, what do you want to fix that hurricane stuff? We gotta have food ready.
What are you talking about?
Are you gonna have me plan this damn hurricane or not?
The hurricane is not. Why do you think it's gonna hit us?
We're gonna be fine. It's just gonna be like a tropical
I
storm.
just got a damn text saying it's gonna hit here. We got that youngin' in Wichita. He's tied into Noah. He's telling us what's going on.
What is Noah?
Oh my God.
What?
What is Noah?
I don't know what it stands for, but it's past due.
So you look at you making shit up over there. What is Noah?
I have not.
Tropical storm.
Hurricane!
Okay.
I think it's a tropical storm.
How about we wait till tomorrow? Cause
How about you go ahead and die there when it hits?
Jeez.
You gonna die too, and I'm gonna laugh.
you will not laugh. You will cry. We'll see tomorrow. Let's not make any decisions until we find out tomorrow.
Well, I got my generator.
You know, he told me he's going to go buy another generator.
I'm going to buy two.
Why do you need a second?
I bought it for you.
Yeah, right.
No.
I see right through it. Just because you don't want me to come over to your house because you'll have power, so you get me a generator so I stay home.
Wow. That, you know what? We're gonna come
You
over.
got me all figured out, don't you?
I do got you all figured out.
I'm inviting your sister over though.
You love her more than me now?
But you won't invite us.
I don't love her. I just give her. Blu-ray.
It's not It's red.
The hurricane is here. It's not even at Charleston yet. And it's getting bad. No power. No cable. As y'all see, got my coffee pot going, got me a lamp on. You see a generator just sitting there. I'm telling y'all, man, I'm gonna take y'all out. It's gonna be a little noisy. But you can. A little noisy. I'm telling y'all, look at that. If it starts to rain, I'm gonna run like hell. Man. Hope the I wonder if they have FEMA from squirrels. They lose their home. Is FEMA gonna pay to put their homes back? Damn. Oh, you go ahead, motherfucker. I gotta ride. Damn. Yeah, I think Tornado got that motherfucker.
Yeah. Remember when it was real black?
Yep. Hey,
I'd
firewood.
be leery about that one.
Huh?
I'd be leery about that one.
Who?
I'd be leery about that one.
That one ain't gonna fall. Of course, they probably doesn't think about this. People ain't got no other way out of here. Damn! Youngest, this is what a hurricane can do for no reason. Just pop a tree out. Yeah, it twisted this tree. See the twist? It twisted this tree down. As you see, there are two ways out of my neighborhood. And, oh my God, look at just the root and all. Wow! Uprooted that tree completely. You don't think hurricanes are strong? I guess that guy, he thinks he gonna do something, he ain't going nowhere. I want y'all just kind of look around. I'm gonna scan around here and let y'all just kind of see the devastation of what a hurricane can do. Look at this yard. Good God. Took that fence down. Uprooted that tree. What the hell's going on with the uprooting of goddamn trees?
We are at Grandpa's house right now.
And the storm has finally cleared up a little bit.
But there's still no power.
Won't be none probably for a few days.
Are you serious with that?
Yep.
So what am I supposed to do?
I know what I'm gonna do. I got 2 generators, and
Yeah, but there's no internet.
so I can do without internet.
So right now, Grandpa's making up some cube steak.
Some pork cube steak.
Hey, you guys. How come they don't want to come out of this room?
I don't know. They won't leave the kitchen, and they won't poop.
Jennifer's absent-minded.
Put the ice in water.
Oh my God, what is that? She's lying. She's trying to pretend she's crying over here, Dad.
Do what?
She's pretending like she's crying over here.
Oh well.
Look at that fake look on her face. God, you fraud. So Dad had a wire running from his room, and now he's just detached it so we can hook up a lamp.
Well, it's getting dark in here.
It doesn't even work, Dad.
It doesn't.
Okay.
I'm gonna ride that hard.
A little small, might go up your ass. So, here's what Grandpa made. We got fried pork steak sandwich, onion rings. We got this during the storm, which usually wouldn't have shit because there's no freaking power. So,
No.
we'll see what we're dealing with here. Onion rings.
Brown onion and French fries. This is mine.
Yeah, those are fish.
Fish.
Pork
Where can
sandwich.
you get fish when you got no electricity and a fucking hurricane just left? Nowhere in this town. Well,
Grandpa's kitchen. This is good.
we tried to find a damn Chinese place open. Nothing's open. Pickle. Look at that pickle, man.
So I had an idea for a video for this Friday.
What?
Okay, hear me out. Okay, Lauren, you put an apple in your mouth, right? And Lauren takes an axe and chops the apple out of your mouth.
I don't think so.
I'm joking.
Are you crazy?
I'm joking. She shoots an arrow into it.
Are you crazier?
Lauren says she's like a
It's gonna
sharpshooter.
be like William Tell.
Yeah, and I get an arrow in the eye. Yeah, no thank you.
That'll go viral.
They could go borrow from somebody else.
I'm joking. No, seriously. I was thinking we'd do another Q&A Friday.
Man, they get old.
See,
Those are fun.
he's just as like disgusted by the Q&A as he was by an arrow to
Yeah.
the face.
Those are fun though.
People love answering you answering their questions.
Well, I'll answer them.
You haven't done it in about 2 months.
I'll answer them, okay?
Okay.
Has it really been 2 months?
Well, the last one was when I asked the question, when is Grandpa and Lauren getting married? Remember that one?
Yeah, I remember what I tell you.
I don't even remember.
Go back and look.
Do you remember when that was?
Wasn't that long ago.
Months ago.
Yeah.
Wasn't that long ago.
We didn't upload for a while.
I'm gonna look.
What are you doing? Is that your phone? Go ahead, answer it. This kid just answered a shoe.
Like the guy from
Back to the car.
yeah.
So I figure everybody submit your questions to hashtag AskAGP.
Yeah.
And ask him some questions. Maybe
Hey, don't make them stupid.
maybe make a couple of them stupid so he gets mad.
That's what I mean. I don't want to get mad.
I need a clickbait title. So submit something that I can weave into clickbait, right?
Yeah, ask a crazy question.
Clickbait. What the hell is
Like
clickbait?
clickbait, something that entices people to click it. Like this one, is Grandpa getting married? That was a clickbait title. Like the one time, Angry Grandpa talked about McJuggernuggets. That was clickbait. I need a clickbait title. So submit clickbaity questions, and you're more than likely to get used. I don't
Like
know.
what? What would be a clickbait question?
All right, you asked a clickbait question. I'm not good at clickbait. I don't
I'm
know.
not either.
I don't know. Something clickbait like, is Lauren a vampire? Because we only see her at night.
No, don't even go there. No, be quiet. Don't ask that.
Don't even joke about that.
What do you mean by that?
We never see her at night. That's the question. We only see her at night.
I want to see her during the day. And she's...
Anyway, that's just an idea. What happened? Did you get hit with a shotgun? What happened here? Look at you borrowed that shirt from Beetlejuice. Remember that scene where the blades pop out? Cover this, Lizzo. Getting angry? We're only 20 minutes late. Relax. He ain't having it. All right, lead the way. We'll be back. Walking around BJ's right now, you guys, getting everything that we need for. Dad cannot control this thing. You're talking about getting one of these. You can't drive the thing.
I gotta have one of these.
Guys, he's almost crashed into 4 displays.
You're like, maybe the one's ready.
He almost ran into me twice, which I think was on purpose because he's mad that we were late. Is that what it was? Do I know my dad or what? All right, you guys, here he goes taking a corner. Oh, jeez. I feel like before you turn the corner, I gotta yell at people like to move out of the way, just in case.
Where's it about?
I got yelled at.
I think probably getting something else.
Thanks, Michael. I
Yep.
got yelled at because y'all were late.
Why'd you get yelled at?
You sure you don't want to race? Then we can just tear this track up.
He can't control it. He almost crashed into like 3 displays.
I started the film with the way he's been crashing everything.
Yeah, you're going too fast. Spam and... Whoa! What?
Got to have his wieners.
We can still hurricane. Y'all leave the pot's head.
We're looking at both.
Look at the snow cone maker.
That's perfect for... Is that... Are we looking at hurricane stuff or are we looking at snow cone makers?
That is cute.
All right, I'm rolling.
You could make a little soup. You could do a little soup in there. Yeah, we could make like a little soup.
They're still talking about the crock pot.
so-
Why would you want something that small for?
I know.
It's adorable.
You're not...
Get that big one.
It's a big waste of time if you ask me.
Cutest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Hey, Dad, what are you getting from IHOP?
I ain't going to IHOP.
Dad's not going to IHOP. Are you going to IHOP?
Yes, I am.
What's wrong with his head?
Where'd Dad go? There he is. I lost where he went for a minute there.
Huh?
Couldn't find you.
Crazy to me.
That's sad.
It is.
See this, Dad? You see this? Nothing. You keep going. Move forward. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Dude, I was just trying to show you what somebody did. Look at this.
I saw that. It's nasty.
And we sent JC to get somebody.
Ruined right here.
Sent JC to get it. I'm gonna get out of his way. We're checking out right now, you guys. We got this buggy, and this buggy. Is this unbelievable or what?
You're ready for Hurricane Irma. I'm ready for.
Hurricane Irma's already costing us money.
I know. What if it doesn't even come?
Then we got a lot of crackers and drinks and,
And
flashlights.
gummies and.
Gummies. Hey, I get to see the eclipse.
Yeah.
Whoa. Thanks a lot, Doug.
You're welcome.
The line is so crazy. Everyone is going crazy today.
It was longer than this back there.
Yeah, it was so long. We got way too much stuff. We got 3 buggies of stuff.
Don't ask how much we spent on this hurricane.
Yeah, don't ask.
Don't
like,
ask.
don't
Okay, JC.
don't ask.
And you're not done yet.
Yep, don't ask, guys. Don't ask.
What? Come on, hurricane!
You ready to fly?
Hurricane nothing until Tuesday. What? Oh man, get out of here with that bull crap. I'm seriously, just get out of here with that. I don't believe it.
What is going on?
I'm supposed to have that colonoscopy tomorrow, right?
Yeah?
Governor has canceled all these elective procedures for tomorrow.
What does that mean?
That means I can't get the colonoscopy, and I've been drinking that poop juice all day.
Oh my god.
What is poop juice?
Make me poo-poo. Please don't send it out. Now I can't go get it yet. I'll be pooping all night long.
Because of the hurricane?
For now, he ain't gonna come a hurricane. He ain't gonna do Tuesday, but he gonna call it out, everything off for tomorrow.
It's hidden
Bull
Sunday.
crap!
Look, let's just go
Get
to
that
the...
thing out there. Yo, you can put a toilet next to the seat. You want a bathroom next to the seat in the movies?
What is...
I don't think you think he wants to smell my shit.
Dad, just...
sewer.
Man, I ain't believing this crap.
Okay, we're gonna talk. When can they get you back in?
I gotta call the doctor after the storm.
You don't gotta yell, okay? It's not that big of a deal.
It is to me.
What was it supposed to be for? The
My
cirrhosis?
butt's gonna be hurting later on for nothing.
They really should have said something if you were gonna drink all that juice.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, they should have called you earlier.
Sorry, you got no step in rumbling.
Look, let's go to the movies. Let's go see it. Let's just have a good night. It's...
You gonna put the toilet next to the seat?
Dad, here, put on the mask.
Oh my.
I brought anybody in the clown. They didn't go poop.
Dad, please, let's just go to the movies.
We gotta go to the movies.
I ain't going to the movie and poop everywhere.
Okay.
Understandable.
Thanks a lot, Governor.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Governor.
Who is our governor? Nikki Haley?
No, man, she quit and did something else, and they got that stupid whatever his name
Wait,
is.
she quit?
Oh, she works for Trump now.
Yeah.
She's the ambassador. Well, here, you got extra pants? I am not. I'm joking! Dad!
Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
Get that thing out of here! Get it! Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here!
Oh!
Why'd you give it back to it?
Okay.
Where'd you get a second knife?
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Are you cutting its hair? Get out of the motherfucker!
Oh my gosh!
I get it.
Alright.
Look get out of here! Take that thing out of you! You won't take that food.
It's fully dark.
What are you doing? What? Stop it!
Oh!
Stop! Get it out of here! Okay, you're not going to the movies.
We get it. Jeez.
I get it.
You
I'm
have
sorry.
To show your mask.
Look at him. Okay, I'm pissed too. I gotta poop.